Okay, let's talk week 5. Here is the agenda. This is pretty straightforward. I'm not giving you an assignment because I want you to concentrate on the test. So just lecture this week because I want you to do the best you can on the test. All right. So we're covering the entirety of the presidency. Now keep in mind, please, that this is the beginning of Test 2 material, or final exam, in other words. So none of this, for this, will be on the test you take starting on Friday and through the weekend. This is for the next test. All right, so you're going to watch the weekly instructional video, which you're doing right now, and thank you for doing that. You're going to review the weekly agenda. All right, and we'll go through all this in a moment. One thing that I noticed that has been a recurring problem, students are not thinking that the YouTube video is up. All my YouTube videos are up, and I'm putting this in an announcement too, so hopefully the majority of you catch it. If you just click the title, right, it takes you right to YouTube. So it might not work on the module itself, but it takes you right to YouTube, so you should be able to access the information. So there's that. Okay, so I broke this up into 2 parts because once upon a time I thought it was easier. I just never put it back together. So part 1, part 2, part 3. Now, don't think that you have to watch all of these at once. All right, this is not how information is meant to be ingested. You're not going to remember a darn thing if you watch an hour's worth of video and then I ask you about it in 3 weeks' time when we take the final exam or whenever that is, and you're not going to remember anything. Watch part 3. You have a whole week. Watch part 4. Study a little for your test. So this is part 2. Anyway, I had to correct this a little bit, but this I just re-recorded, so you have the latest and greatest information. All right, then 5, and this is a good example. You just click the title there. See, it's open. And then that is it as far as the module is concerned. Now you will be taking this test, and I caught an error because we're not going backwards in time. At least we haven't discovered that yet, how to do that yet. So to July 9th. I'm going to publish the module. The test will open July 7th at 12:01 a.m. There is no getting around that. The test will open then. I will not open it early under any circumstances, and it will close at 11:59 on July 9th. And it'll close then, and this is a good chunk of time to take the test. So take it, don't take it, the choice is yours. But I am going to have a film of test instructions. It would be a good idea to watch it. So pretty straightforward week. No tricks, nothing sneaky, no flip grids, no nothing. Just concentrate on the presidency and do a little bit at a time. And then your test starting on Friday. So this module, the test module, will open up on July 7th, and you'll see me again in there in a instructional video.